Alright, so I am back at it again. The previous milkshake, the blueberry milkshake, was absolutely delicious. We did a 1-1-1 shake, equal amount of blueberries as the amount of milk and the amount of ice cream. So that's what I mean by a 1-1-1 drink. So I wanted to go out and do this again. I want to go out and pick more blueberries, but I only came about halfway to the blueberry place when instead I found raspberries. Yeah, couldn't have made this up. So this time around we changed things up a little bit. And the raspberries have actually been in the freezer for some time. It's now frozen because it does add to the flavor and to the summer feel to have frozen berries rather than fresh. And well, they're basically fresh also, to be fair. I did a little bit of a checkup with raspberries versus blueberries, and raspberries are apparently also very, very nutritious. So let me see if I can get these frozen berries into the blender. This is what they look like now in frozen form. Honestly, I'm assuming I actually have a bit more raspberries than the amount of blueberries that I had last time. But, you know what, I'm gonna estimate it and I'm gonna put slightly more milk in than last time. This is the cup we're using for measuring, so let's get to it. There we have it. 1 cup of milk, but I'm estimating that we have a little bit more raspberries than before, so I'm gonna just do this. And next up, we need ingredient number 3, the ice cream. And I think we have the same ice cream as before, I hope. You didn't eat all the ice cream, did you, Søren?
Ice cream?
You didn't eat it?
No.
Oh, all right. Let's see. Let's put that to the test. All right, here we go. Same ice cream. Let's put it in there. I almost thought he would actually eat it up already. He is what we say in Sweden, a gottegris. Is that enough? I don't think so. I think we need a little bit more. Here we go. And I'm gonna fill up this whole blender here. Hope there's enough space. This is gonna be one massive big raspberry milkshake. Squeeze that in there. Oh, it is very creamy. Much more creamy than I thought it would be. Actually, I think I've had maybe not enough milk in it. I'm gonna add a little bit of milk. All right, so here we go. This is it. I gotta be careful with this. This is what it looks like in the blender. And now we're gonna see if this is good enough for Søren. Look at this. What does it look like? Does it look good? Or you regret it? You wanna go for a glass of water instead? Here you go.
Thank you.
All right.
Vad hade du i nu? Har du isbitar i nu eller?
Nej, den var ju frusen.
Ja.
Det var ju frozen raspberries.
Riktigt gott var det.
Oh yeah.
Och
Oh yeah. This is the taste of summer, not gonna lie. Now. Oh, that's good. So, I did a little bit of a checkup when it comes to the health benefits of blueberries and raspberries, and it turns out it's a bit of a tie. Raspberries wins in some parts, whereas blueberries wins in other parts. There's also the fact that blueberries have been researched more than raspberries, but what they say is, and this is from the doctors, not me, but they say that you should eat both, you should consume both because of the health benefits. And you know what? I think that's a good idea. So we still have a little bit of raspberry milkshake in the blender, and we still have some blueberries, and we still have some milk and ice cream. So I'm thinking about, what do you say? You see how much a raspberry is still left? And then we add equal amount of blueberries and a little bit more milk and ice cream, and then we make a mix. So we blend blueberries with raspberries and see which one is the winner, the blueberries, the raspberries, or the mix. But for now, I'm just gonna relax for a moment here and enjoy this. So we'll take that later. All right, so I put in a little bit of blueberries, put in a little bit of ice cream and a little bit of milk into the already existing raspberry milkshake. So we're gonna have a kind of like 50-50 blueberry / raspberry milkshake to end it with. Let's see how it goes. All right, that is so it. So I'm going to bring this blend to my neighbor, and I'm gonna give him the first taste. Let's see what he says about it. He's a little busy with his computer here. All right, you're gonna have to be the guinea pig.
Thank you.
Huh? I take it as a yes.
I love it.
He seems to enjoy that drink. Let me see what I think about it. All right. Time for the first 50-50 raspberry blueberry drink taste. Oh yeah. All right. All right, yeah. That is good. That is good. Oh yeah. So I guess Søren is actually going to save a little bit for his brother coming later on, and we'll see what he says about it. So yeah, 50-50 blueberry, raspberry, probably a really healthy drink, I guess minus the ice cream, but we have a lot of other things in plan. We have a few other ingredients we want to put in. Some of them are going to add additional health. Some of them not so much. Some of them are going in, let's say, going in the other direction. But we're gonna keep you hanging on it, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.